What's up, baby girl? What you got there?
This is supposed to be me doing this, not you.
Oh,
Look at you. Always gotta get in on it.
I do, baby. Hey.
Hey guys, I just wanted to share something with you guys today. We were at the Tampa RV show, the Florida. I don't think they call it Tampa, I think they call it the Florida RV show. Yeah. Anyway, we met a young guy there. His name was Aaron, and he asked us if we would try his products and if we thought they were good, and put them on our YouTube channel. So we told him that we would. And so anyway, we have 3 different packets, or 4. I think there's like 3 or 4 different things. You have the compact soap here, which you open it up and it's just like little slivers of soap, and you use it to wash your hand. These are super cool. Then you have the bath towels, and then you have, what are they? These are the smaller towels, I think, aren't they? And then these are the longer towels.
Yep.
Yeah, the bigger ones. Right here, I have a small one, which is this one, which is the 24 by 30 or a 9 by 11 inches. Anyway, let's go over here and wet it, and I'll show you what happens. Look at that. How cool is that? So cool. Squeeze it out some. Whoop, made a mess. So this is the side of it. It's very durable. It has all these little grooves in it that catches the dirt. And I'll show you in a little bit that I'm going to be using it on Arrow when we go to the park and he gets in the mud. So, really nice size. Very durable. Actually it's pretty thick.
So these towels, can you reuse them?
Yes.
So they dry them out and then you can re-wet them or something, or what?
Yeah, on my video I'm going to show you with Arrow. I'm going to wash him off really good and clean. His feet are going to be muddy, and then I'll rinse it out really good, and you'll see then how well it rinses out and how well it catches all of the mud and the dirt from his feet. And then I also use it because right now it's high pollen time, so bad. So I've actually been using it to wipe them down when they come in, or when we're done walking in the mornings, and just kind of get all the pollen off them so they don't get all itchy and everything. But I'm super excited about these because I keep them in their backpacks. I keep one in my vehicle. All you have to do is just grab a bottle of water, wet it, and you're ready to go.
And they're individually wrapped, so you don't have to worry about water getting in the bag and expanding all those towels.
Exactly. This is how they come.
And they're lightweight.
Very, very.
And what's nice is because they're individually wrapped, they don't have germs on them, right? So when you open them, they're not collecting any dirt.
And you can use them on your babies.
Yep. And Aaron had designed this because he was in the military. And so the military ideas are, you know, how can you make stuff lighter for the backpacks, right? So instead of a big towel, you can use this towel and wet it. Yeah. And then use it over and over again.
These are going to be great. And I actually have some in Frankie, so that if I need to give it a good quick wipe down, then I use that too. So I have used it in Frankie as well.
And sometimes if you meet people and they need to be cleaned up, let's say less fortunate people that we come along in our life, or maybe people in parks that have kids that are dirty and nothing to clean up, we could say, here, offer a couple of these packs and say, here you go. Yeah,
exactly. All I know is they're super durable, like they don't tear. I like these.
All right, I get to do a little bit of this exercise myself. I'm not as cute looking as my model over there, but she had me do this.
He's suckering up this morning.
Oh my goodness. So she's having me demo this pocket soap. You can just stick in your pocket and carry with you. So you just pull it out. There's a sheet of soap right there.
How many is in there?
50. 50 hypoallergenics. And all you do is you take your hand, the water, watch this soap disappear, and it soaps up. Look at the lather on that baby. And you know what's nice? It cleans off good. There ain't no smell. Ain't no smell. Anyways, works out great. So highly recommend it.
You know what these would be good for?
What?
When you go to the hut in the morning. Make sure you wash your hands.
Oh man. Or hut, you know, when we go to these camping places, they have those vaulted toilets. but there's no water.
That's great.
I got to carry a bottle then.
There you go.
Okay, and I have my own rags. I'll be set.
Hey guys, so as I just seen, I had the wipe. It's pretty sturdy. Arrow and I have been to the park. His nose is dirty and his feet are dirty, so we're gonna see how well this works. First, let's clean his nose off. Yeah, look at that dirty nose. Good job, buddy. Oh, got dirty feet. Know if it's gonna hold up on these feet of his, cause his paws are pretty rough. Yeah, thanks, buddy. All right, let's look at the other foot done. Thanks, too. Nope. Yeah, thanks, buddy. All right. Well, there you go. So let's see how well it does. We rinse it out. All right. Even with his dirty feet, it rinsed out, but it still didn't tear. So there you go. And now I'm going to take it and wipe him down from being outside. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Because the pollen and everything's crazy right now, so. And Freya's doing better. Come here, Freya. Let me wipe your face. She likes her face. You want to wipe your face too? Yeah. We'll wipe you down. Yeah. All right. There you go. Pretty cool. So I'm just going to rinse it out, and I'm going to put it in my vehicle and use a water bottle and wet it to clean them again. And so anyway, we tried these out. We like them. Great job, Aaron, and thank you guys. So if you are interested in these, I guess you are going to put them in.
Who's you?
You.
I'm usually referred to as him or babe. Now I'm a you.
He's going to put them in the comments below, or a little blip, whatever he does. He does the editing. I do not.
So these.
Cool.
All right.
Thanks, guys, for watching, and subscribe and like.